What's the meaning of backrest? Backrest. Backrest.
Backrest. Backrest. A backrest is a support that is typically attached to a chair or seat and is designed to provide support for the lower back, shoulders, and neck. It is an essential component of comfortable seating, as it enables users to sit for extended periods of time without experiencing discomfort or fatigue. Backrests come in a variety of shapes and styles, ranging from simple, straight designs to more complex shapes that are contoured to fit the natural shape of the human body. Some backrests may also be adjustable, allowing users to customize the angle and height to suit their individual needs. Overall, a backrest is an important element of ergonomic seating and can help reduce stress and strain on the body.